back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix TikTok please try again later problems. So to fix it, I'll be teaching you a very easy step, or I'll be guiding with it. And if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So sometimes what happens, you are scrolling through the TikTok and then it will say please try again later. So what you do is, firstly just check your internet connection, that might be a problem. And the second thing is, check if you are using VPN and the location is somewhere where the TikTok is banned over there. So those are the two steps. Third thing, what you can do is just go to your settings and go to apps and then go to apps again, and from there just go to TikTok. Let's just have some patience. Okay, once you are here, just go to TikTok. So where it is, just go to TikTok and then go to storage, and from here just clear the cache memory and clear the data as well, and then try to log in to TikTok once again, and then your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.